you guys at? Yo, where'd you guys go? There you are. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Steam Boss video. I hope you all are having a great day today. So we are at our first job this morning. We have a commercial job for you. We got the Steam Boss van out here, and today we're gonna be using the good old zipper. I don't think we've used the zipper in one of our videos yet, so I wanted to make sure today, when we have a good opportunity to do so, that we got it on film for you guys, so you guys could check out this tool. You guys may have seen it around, especially if you are a carpet cleaner. You might know all about the zipper. But for those of you who don't, we're gonna show you how it works today. All right, so here's what we got going on today. So this is just a commercial unit in a strip mall here that's going to be occupied pretty soon. They just had the whole place painted, so we're gonna be doing the carpeting today. There's Bill all the way down there.
Hey everybody.
Got anything to say?
Got a pretty easy one here today. I think about 1,100 square feet, right, Steve?
Yep.
So we're gonna start by vacuuming and go from there.
All right, so overall not too bad. We got some stuff here that doesn't show up great on camera, and here we got this going on here where there was obviously a chair or something. Pretty straightforward. We got a little bit of a adhesive thing going on over here. We'll see what we can do with that. So overall not too bad. We're gonna use the zip here to knock this out. So this thing is really cool because for those of you who don't know, it can clean carpet both ways. So you will see that today. We'll flip this out on the bottom here so you guys can see it. Where you actually push it compared to swinging a wand. So you can see underneath here we got the jets and 2 different glides. So it's a pretty unique tool. We do use it for a lot of the commercial applications. For here in Florida, a lot of the houses that we do, we don't use the zipper a ton, only because of the confined spaces. A lot of people here have a lot of stuff, so the rooms aren't necessarily very big, or if they are, they have a lot of stuff in them. So in those applications, we don't really like to use the zipper because it's just too crowded. But for jobs like these, it's perfect. Okay, so we're gonna get all these hoses set up and everything inside and get going, and then I'll catch up with you guys then, and we'll show you kind of what's up with the zipper. Now, before we get started, if you guys wouldn't mind, please hitting that subscribe button. We really appreciate it. We're trying to grow the channel, and we need to get to 100 subscribers before we can get to 1,000. So if you guys would please subscribe, hit that like button. We really appreciate it. We got everything sprayed, got the zipper going here. So yeah, as you can see, clean carpet both ways, with more of, I guess, a pushing motion versus a wand swing. It's a great tool to have in these big open areas, and it really flushes it considering you're hitting from both ways. Plus the head keeps all the heat trapped inside there. You can see the steam coming out on the sides. Closer view here. All right, so as far as the sticky glue we had here, we did a treatment on it, and you can see it's way better. I've now treated it again. We did a little bit of agitation here, letting it sit a little bit. We'll run over it again, and I think it's gonna be in pretty good shape. Well, that'll be good. All right, again. I think that did it there.
So there's a little bit of a line there, but that's a seam, so I think we got it. What do you think?
I think we got it. all we gotta do is put away, well, all these pesky hoses. That's better. All right, so here we go, guys. This is what we ended up with here. Turned out really, really nice. That was that adhesive. We got all of that gone. The offices do have a little bit of wear from chairs messing it up, but that's okay. The rest of it turned out really, really well. And I think the building owner is gonna be pretty happy with it. Another well done job for the zipper. Oh yeah. People like seeing the dump water, I guess, so here you go. So yeah, I'd say it was pretty dirty, if I do say so myself.